boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. It's best-selling researcher Mickey D, aka the Baby Knockout Goat, Mr. Uranium Squeezupple. We're gonna talk about uranium here in a second. We're gonna talk about earnings of one of our baby knockouts. Now, this particular stock we've dealt with in the past. We've owned it for years. It's been a buy and hold because we've waited for this particular time for them to go into production just to see how things were going to happen. They're doing something that a lot of companies, uh, a lot of uranium companies, unfortunately, with uranium in the name and talked about, they won't get in production this cycle. I guarantee you, ladies and gentlemen. But this particular one has, and this baby knockout, we like management, we like their projects. They have two right now that are in production, and we'll talk about it here in a second. The scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author, I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white so you'll have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. This is my third uranium squeezupple, ladies and gentlemen, my third uranium bull market. I got it down to a science this time. I get these stocks really, really early when they're pennies, and I hold on to them for the big ride. That's the name of this game, ladies and gentlemen. We get it. Just look at the videos, and you'll see 5 cents, 3 cents, 12 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents. That's when we got into a lot of these uranium baby knockouts. And we've been doing videos for a long, long time. If this is your first time joining us, just go through and binge on some of those videos. Make sure you hit that like button, ladies and gentlemen. And if you're with your family on this weekend, you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I'll be going to another uh, veterans function now. Gone to a couple already. They've been exciting and fun. So I'll be going to a car show, and that's going to be fun also. Hot rods and stuff. What do they say? Hot girls, hot cars, whatever. It's all good, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be doing that. But let's take a look at this particular stock, and let's take a look at the earnings and see exactly what's going on here with enCore Energy. Let's take a peek. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you hit like, share, and subscribe when it comes to these videos. I just wanted to tell you, this is a few years ago, a couple years ago. This is what I said about this particular stock, just to set the record straight and give you the premise of this stock and how we got into it here. Just listen, just about a minute and a half. As we go way back with these stocks, we've had these stocks 3, 4, 5 years or what have you. And we were in early. In fact, one of them was an original baby knockout from the book. Anyway, the first stock I want to talk to you about today had a major accomplishment. I'm talking about enCore Energy announces approval for listing on the New York Stock Exchange, American Stock Exchange, the Amex, on the. Now, that was when they first were getting started, getting listed here. You guys know they're on the NASDAQ now. 23rd here, coming up here in a few days. On the 23rd, EU will be the new symbol for baby knockout enCore Energy. Now we've been following this stock. Some of you have been buying this stock. I know I have. Ever since the stock was like 12 cents, guys. We've been buying this stock for a long time now, and it's been good to us. Stocks go up and stocks come down. It's been really good to us. But EU will be the new ticker symbol. TSX venture under the symbol EU also. So OTC and the Toronto. So it's going to be really a great day for the common shares. And we want to congratulate management. Management's done an outstanding job. They took over those assets a while back. They merged with another baby knockout we had. And what was the saying there? We had that baby knockout going to 10. We had enCore going to 10, and maybe they'll get a 20 spot for us, huh? Maybe one day. Ladies and gentlemen, I stand by that prediction with enCore. I said it was going to go $20 this cycle. I'm going to stick with my original research, my original prediction out there a little while back. And I think we're going to get there, ladies and gentlemen. Let me see if I said anything else.
We don't know. We'll see. But at the rate they're going right now, and management's good. They've got some dinero behind them. They're going to have access to more and more capital as the days, weeks, months go on. enCore, congratulations. ENCUF right now, but it will be EU here coming up in a few days or so. That's going to be their ticker symbol. Also,
Okay, that's good enough for that one. Let's take a look at their earnings, ladies and gentlemen. Their quarter three earnings. enCore Energy provides Q3 2024 results and operational update. Um, this company is a producing uranium company. Now, a lot of companies won't be able to say that, ladies and gentlemen. On the TSXV, it's EU, and on the NASDAQ, EU also. A lot of companies can't say they will be producing uranium this particular cycle because they won't. Uh, enCore, America's clean energy company, today reports results from the 3 and 9 months period ending September 3rd. enCore continues to enjoy rising revenue due to increased extraction of uranium and sales of U3O8 yellow cake in the 9 months of 2024. The company commissioned its Alta Mesa in situ recovery uh, central processing plant in Wellsfield, Alta Mesa, uh, late in the second quarter, June, and its second uranium processing plant, making enCore the only company in the United States with two operational uranium processing plants. The company met its delivery commitments under the contract with delivery of 530,000 pounds of yellow cake using both purchased and processed uranium during the 9 month period. enCore continued to move its pipeline to projects ahead for permitting activity in South Texas and drilling program in Wyoming. They're doing very, very well right now. Even in quarter four, right now, this is quarter three stuff. In quarter four, they're talking about already they have contracts that they have to produce like almost 200, another 200,000 pounds. So, if these guys, that's a small piece of the puzzle, ladies and gentlemen, but they're adding where a lot of people are subtracting, as in your money, subtracting your money, and never going to be able to produce anything. So this is a company with this is a baby knockout with an opportunity to go up and up and up because they know what they're doing and they're doing it. Company recorded revenue 45 million from the sale of yellow cake. That's good. During the 9 month period, the company extracted and packaged 100,000 261 pounds of yellow cake combined between the two operational South Texas central processing plants, Rosita and Alta Mesa IRS projects. Also, the company delivered 56,551 pounds of yellow cake to a North American conversion facility. So they are on it. This is very, very important right here. The company continues to meet contractual commitments with contract deliveries, 530 pounds of yellow cake at an average sales price of 84. See that average sales price? 84.85 per pound. Now, that's closer to uh, the long term price, ladies and gentlemen. Both right now, the long term and spot price are, in the low 80s or so, but they're together here. The spot price went up and got away, and sometimes that gets away. It's called the retail price a lot, the spot price, but the long term uh, price is the price that these companies they get, the prices they get from utilities. That's the key here. In according to the company, 8 uranium supply contracts with the United States to deliver a total of 300,000 pounds of yellow cake, 28, 29. Long-term prices presently in the low to mid 80s per. See, these were above the 2028s are above the current long-term prices presently in the low 80s or so. So they're not losing money, ladies and gentlemen. enCore is going to be there. They're getting a lot of contracts. You know, sure, they're 80. If you can make it now, 80, $85, 90, it's only going to get better in the long run. And you guys can take a look at these at the earnings here. But very, 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 very good for enCore. Let's take a look at the chart here. Uh, enCore right now is trading below the all important 200-day purple right here, 200-day moving average. It's you know, it's a lot of people are saying it's underperforming. If you look at some of what the analysts are saying, if you look at uh, you know, the experts are saying, well, it can get there, but it's underperforming right now, and it's not doing that well. Um, we kind of beg to differ right now because there's been a little pullback, and I mean, it's not like it's gone from, you know, five to a dollar. You know, it hasn't, but this is a buyable pullback. We believe that also in Bitcoin and gold and silver, these are buyable pullbacks at this particular time, ladies and gentlemen. We got a new administration in there. People are going to be going in different directions. We're not going to be getting the uranium that we were getting in the back door from China. I don't think that's going to be happening because these everybody that uh, the president elect has put in office is an anti-China person, so they don't want anything from China. Also, with Putin and the war over there, I don't know how much we're going to be getting from your favorite uranium company, Kazatomprom. I don't know the Kazakhstan over in that area. I don't know what we're going to be getting from there. We don't, you know, the war and everything. You never know. But right now, we do have what we call a winner in enCore Energy. We called it at, you know, 12, 13 cents. We liked it then. We liked it when it was at a dollar. We liked it at $2. And now, of course, $3.57 USD. I stand by my word, ladies and gentlemen. I said in this cycle, enCore looks like a 20 spot for us. That's a big prediction, man. That means management is going to have to do some expanding. They're going to have more resources. They're going to have to, you know, the uranium price is going to have to go up. A lot of things have to go well for a stock, a 12-cent stock, to go to $20 in a cycle, ladies and gentlemen. But you talking to a brother that's done it multiple times. So you get companies like this that have projects, can get the job done, experienced people, and you hold on to them, ladies and gentlemen. Sure, I still have thousands of shares of this stock that we got early, you know, and that's what we do with our baby knockouts, ladies and gentlemen. We get these stocks early and we hold on to them, you know. There's no need right now to be playing games with enCore Energy when management is doing everything they told us they were going to do years ago. They were going to merge with another company. They did. They're going to go in these assets. They're going to expand these assets. They're going to get into production. They're going to do these. They told us they were going to do these things, and they're doing them. So we tip our hat to enCore Energy. Attaboy, attagirl. We appreciate you, and just keep up the good work, because all roads, we believe, are going to lead to the United States. They're going to lead to America being the top uranium producer in the world, like we were years ago. So it's coming back home, ladies and gentlemen. Especially, you have all these countries Even our African uranium super trade has blown up on us because a lot of the African countries are not nationalizing uh, these mines, but they want, just like America, they want things to stay in house, and you can't blame them for that, ladies and gentlemen. They want to keep their own. Yeah, they should have done this years and years ago, right? Tens of years ago, hundreds of years ago. But now they're saying, they're bucking up and they're saying, sure, they're going to get some expert help here and there. Sure, there's going to be some groups and that go help them, but help, they get it together. It's best for the whole world, ladies and gentlemen. It's best for the whole world. So we'll see. When America, if you want it done right, you do it yourself. America first. Is that what they're talking about right now? America, let's do it ourselves, and let's use companies like enCore Energy, which will be one of the leading uh, companies, uranium producers in the world, in our opinion, in due time. That's going to do it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the weekend. Have a wonderful rest of the trading day. God bless you.